Hiring for roles where typing speed and accuracy matter, like data entry, support, transcription, or admin work. With Testlify's typing test custom question, you can easily measure a candidate's real-time typing proficiency, including both speed and accuracy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up and add a typing test question to your assessment. You can either choose from our ready-made question prompts, or manually set the completion time, difficulty level, title, and add a custom paragraph that you want candidates to type out. Additionally, you can explore additional options and apply filters as per your specific requirements. Once you've set everything up, click on Add button. Now your typing question is ready to be included in your assessment. Now let's take a look at the candidate's view. Once the candidate begins the test, their goal is to type the paragraph accurately and quickly before the time runs out. The test measures both speed and accuracy. As soon as the candidate completes the test, they'll get to see what their accuracy and speed was in the given time, and then submit the test. The results page will display the speed score, which combines accuracy and typing speed. This enables you to evaluate a candidate's typing proficiency, a crucial skill for many roles. And that's a wrap on Testlify's typing test feature. With customizable typing tests, you can effectively evaluate a candidate's typing proficiency. Start creating tailored typing tests with Testlify.